Hi, everyone, and welcome to Building Africa's Next Tech Unicorn. My name is Likhwa, and I am the founder of Asaqeni. For those who are just joining us, Asaqeni is a product sourcing platform designed to help businesses connect, trade, and grow both locally and globally. To keep things transparent and to show you what goes into building a startup, I share these weekly updates, including our main key performance indicators publicly. This helps me to track progress as well as to stay accountable and to make informed decisions. So this week we've added 5 new users, bringing our total to 20. Last week I spoke about our North Star metric and boosting engagement. So while we may not yet have any deals finalized, we've had some suppliers post their products on Asaqeni, and that is a step in the right direction. So while our growth might seem gradual, there's also a strategic reason behind the approach that I've taken, focusing on building a strong local user base first. So it's essential to build a solid foundation before we expand further. I know the easiest way to grow would be to simply target a market like the US, India, Nigeria, or SA, or we could use paid ads. Those would give us immediate numbers. But right now, a wider rollout or using paid ads would be premature. We are still validating the idea and refining our platform to ensure it meets the needs of our users. So that's the current focus. I've had a number of people interested in joining me or asking how they could start a career in software development. So let me give you a brief rundown of the tools that I use and what it takes. Before diving into the tools I use as a founder, a quick heads up for non-technical folks. I'll mention a few tech terms, but don't worry, I'll try and keep it light and relatable. I use Visual Studio Code, as my main code editor. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it has plenty of extensions that enhance productivity. For the back end, I'm currently using PHP because it's the most convenient for my setup. It might not be the trendiest language, but it's effective and it gets the job done. Maybe once I upgrade my equipment, I will contemplate a switch to Node.js or something else for its scalability and modern features. And then for database management, I rely on MySQL. It's reliable and it works well with PHP. On the front end, I stick to the basics. It's HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. So these technologies keep things straightforward and efficient. I also use a custom tool that I created. It's called the Asaqeni Online Code Editor to preview designs in real time. So it's been a game changer for my workflow. To understand user behavior and track performance, I use Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Additionally, I've built some more custom tools to gather and analyze our own internal data, providing insights which are specific to Asaqeni. This groundwork is crucial for future advancements and in machine learning and AI, both of which rely heavily on data. So by having custom data points, we gain more control and precision in our analysis and improvements. When it comes to marketing, I use Canva for creating stunning graphics. Remove BG helps me to remove backgrounds from images quickly, and I use Squoosh to compress images without losing quality, ensuring faster load times. I also use Copilot and Gemini for reference and quick UI builds. So these generate code which I then preview using the Asaqeni code editor. And all these tools help me to streamline my workflow, making it possible to manage all aspects of Asaqeni efficiently. They allow me to focus on what matters most, and that is building a product that meets the needs of our users. So for those looking to start a career in software development, I'd say focus on learning the core languages. With the current AI craze, I see a lot of people trying to jump straight into that without grasping the basics. So just start with basic technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and MySQL. This will give you a more holistic view of the design process. And even when you do decide to do the cool AI stuff, you are more aware of the context and how it relates to everything. As you progress, exploring modern tools like Python, Node.js can be beneficial. But above all, I believe it's important to let your work speak for itself. Build, test, learn, and iterate. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our progress. We hope that you found this very helpful.
We're building Africa's next tech unicorn.